Alrighty, YouTubers, we got another one coming from YOYO Desk. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Also, that video of the other day from the YOYO mat. That is definitely a comfortable mat to put your feet on, kneeling on if you're doing work outside or stuff like that. You can always do that too. But this would be great for like party store owners, anybody that's on their feet at work or at a desk. This is perfect for you guys. This little mat right here. Pretty powerful stuff. So now we got the YOYO Workplace Revolution YOYO Desk 36. So this is the big one. Alright. So just to let you guys know, came in today. Everything smooth, no damage to the box. So that's a good thing. This thing is heavy though, so if you're getting this for somebody older, you might want to have Amazon Home Service help them, or unless you and your friend will help them out, that'd be great because it says Team Lift, because this thing is heavy. So just a little warning that you might want to try the home service or have it professionally installed. But these are really cool to have in case you can't sit down all day and you're one of those type they like to be on their feet. You can fit a lot of things on these. Another monitor, tablets, laptops, iPads, your coffee mugs. All that good stuff. So this is what it looks like inside. So there's that. It's got a... Okay. I'm going to get some help and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Got it out of the box. It's right there, YOYO Desk. So really cool idea. But now we're going to see what it looks like inside. But like I said, this thing is heavy and you might need an extra hand. Unless you're like Hulk Hogan and football player type, you might not need a hand. But in case older folks, like I said, there's always Amazon Home Service, and they'll offer. Oh boy, this is a big bubbly. Here we go. Oh, heavy. Like I said. Boy, how do I get this out without hurting myself? Is the next step. Okay. Oh, so there's no really much assembly required, so that's a good thing. I'm going to pause you because I need to figure how to get this thing out of the box. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. This is what it looks like out of the box. We got the keyboard stand right here. Pretty cool. Gotta do some screwing. And this little box has all this good stuff. Comes with a screwdriver, some 3M sticky tape, some screws, I think. Yep. And be careful when you're screwing these in to this. Just do it gently because you don't want to damage this wood if you do excessive screwdriving. So we got the YOYO mat right there. We got these little cup things that I think they go onto here. So like I said, this thing is pretty heavy. So whoops, YOYO. What else am I forgetting? Now I can show you guys that. Got the stands. So you got to take these. I think this is the left one. Go in here, kind of like that. Boom, boom. And then take this one, leave like this, like so. So we got that. Got that right there. Now I just gotta figure out where that goes. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. The YOYO setup. Pretty cool. I don't have. I got this. I didn't feel like transferring it over because too many wires right there to be messing around with. But here is the desk. Really cool. These hook on here to these turn things right here. or actually, yeah, right in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there, these guys, you gotta twist it off a little bit, and then latch the brackets onto it to make it stand, like so. Then you can have your keyboard of choice onto it, and like I said, I think it's up to like 30-inch. That would hold its weight. So just click on the link down below and see the recommendations of items you can put. But I know you can put a monitor, 2 monitors or so. This would be cool for gaming. There'll be a lot of good stuff this will have use for. So you can adjust it like that. 20 monitor stand. Here's a little helpful tips. And also get one of these mats. Really comfortable to have. So maybe if you like to do some gaming standing up, kind of like the arcade days, you can have your monitor, all that set up like that too. This would be great for your college dorm, your small dorms, apartments. Instead of buying a big desk like this kind of desk that takes that takes up a lot of room, this would be perfect for you guys. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. YOYO desk on Amazon Prime. You can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this up to you in no time. So till then, be safe, have a good weekend, and see you guys soon.